This is a replacement bucket cylinder for the John Deere 740 non-self-leveling loader. There's a company in South Dakota, Koyker Manufacturing, which has basically created a replica replacement bucket cylinder for the 740, the John Deere 740 non-self-leveling loader. Just making one change, and the only change is that the shaft itself is thicker. The John Deere shaft is 1.5 inches, which of course is back dragging, which is never a good idea anyway, but of course everyone does it once in a while. It can bend pretty easily with that. In this case, you've got a 1 3/4 inch thick shaft, and while we still don't recommend back dragging necessarily, it'll make it stand up to that a little bit better, and just in general handle the rigors better also. All the other specs are exactly the same on the cylinder. The barrel length, the retracted length from pin to pin, the terminal size, the shaft terminal, the barrel terminal, the oil ports, everything else is exactly the same. The only thing that you have to make sure of when switching out your original John Deere bucket cylinders on your 740 non-self-leveling loader is that you do need to switch out both of the bucket cylinders because of this thicker shaft.